Here's a little quick video on how to remove your window crank or door handle. I like using a shoelace or some type of thin fabric that can slide in between, and it'll catch on the U-pin, pushing it up, or eventually catching on one of the sides of the pin, and it'll just come right off. I was not able to push it off like I normally do, so then I ended up just rotating the fabric so it can get caught on the U-pin, and boom, it comes off. Now if you want to go ahead and install that door handle or window crank back, I usually just put the pin back on, and then I use the fabric or that shoelace to put pressure on that U-pin, and then it'll make it a lot easier just to put it back on there without struggling or using a tool, since space is restricted.